at the, what is this called again? Something Falls. So pretty. And they said we're gonna go all the way up there. Kind of scary. That's crazy.
Yeah. You down?
Okay, now's the balancing act. Yeah, I'm going Brian's way.
I don't know about that. Work smart, not hard.
I cheated. I didn't do the log.
Oh, the first challenge.
Look how pretty it is, guys. It's so cool, but it's really steep. Look at that waterfall. Let me zoom in. It's so high up there. They said people camp up there, but you gotta walk all the way. Look at how pretty it is. So if you want to go camping there, you gotta hike all the way from down there to up there. That's crazy.
Yep.
Hey guys, this is so beautiful out here, huh? Love it. It's nice and fresh. It's not like 100 degrees.
100 degrees, yeah.
It's so nice. Haley.
Hello.
Look at how far up we made it. Like, that's the mountains. We were like all the way down there. Look at this. We have to go up this rock. This is a good workout. My legs will be burning on Monday. Uh-oh, Aaron. That's a steep one. Hi guys, I'm in the forest. Look it. Ooh. Okay, try to go down. Where did you go? Over here. This is nice. I love the outdoors. I just hate all the bugs. Okay. But I haven't seen anything like creepy yet, except for huge ants. Anyways, this little creek. What you doing, Haley? You trying to get in that cave?
No.
Is your mom over there? Okay, so we go that way?
Yeah, my feet are stinky.
Oh, I know, I hope I don't fall in the water either.
That's right there.
Oh. Oh, you guys. I'm surprised we haven't seen any like wildlife yet. How you doing, Gabriel?
Nobody?
Hey, we're inside a cave, you guys. We found a cave. There might be bears in here. I don't know. Haley, you go find the bears.
Okay.
Let's go in this cave. Oh no. Oh my goodness.
This is coming out. Who would have thought under this thing? I mean,
I know. Just kidding, I'm not in a cave. But this is a big old rock.
this is adventure. It's not Aaron.
Look at that.
Adventure. Adventure.
Okay, we're here, guys. Woo! We're here after all the climbing. Look at that. Oh, you can't really see it. Hold on. Huh? Okay, let's go. So you can see it over there. Look at all this we had to walk through. I think it's this way. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's like, would be so easy to get lost. You want to see the big ants? Oh, that one's not that big. Whoa. Hold on. Let me see if I could carry you guys up here. This is steep. Oh, oh my goodness, they're all the way over there. Let's see. Gabriel, wave your hand so I can see you. There you are. Oh no! Oh my goodness. There was like something flying by me. Look at the falls right there, guys. Found a sleeping spot here. We think we're just gonna camp out. Well, it'd be nice to like sunbathe here. Because the sun's right there.
And then jump in the water after.
But look at that, guys. Don't say that. I will roll off of this thing. Look at, we're like on the side. We're just like hanging on the side of a mountain. We're just like laying on the side of the mountain. That's crazy. Now I don't know how to sit up. I'm scared I'm gonna go sliding down this whole thing. Okay guys, so I'm like laying here on the side of a mountain, like on the side of that. And I'm actually like freaking out because we are like so high up. Oh my god, I can't believe how high we are. Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
Like, look, that's the top of the mountain and we're just like right here.
We're coming to the
It's kind of like freaky.
Let's roll down.
Look at this, guys. We're right here. Careful. Oh my goodness. If we fell in right now, we would be done. Okay, guys. Look how far we are up now. I'm actually getting like really, my stomach is like churning because I know we're up this high. We're almost to the top. I can't believe it. Like I want to like go against this wall because I feel like I'm gonna fall. I cannot believe we are up this high. Look, and I'm not even zooming in anymore. When we were down there, I had to zoom all the way for it to look like this. Or right here. Look at the ledge is like right there. Our feet are right here. Okay. And this is part of the hike where you have to use your hands and your feet. I can't believe we're this. I'll put it on YouTube.
How do you keep the push off?
I can't believe we're up this high. It's crazy. Okay, so we went a little bit higher. The kids stopped down here. Wait, the kids are there. This is more steep. Gerlin and Brian went up there. I think I'm cool right here. It's so steep. Did Gerlin go all the way? Oh. I think I'm too scared to go up there. Yeah, it's really steep. I mean, look at the mountain, like the top. We're basically right there. Look, there's still snow up there. It's so pretty though. There's wildlife. Finally found wildlife. Let's see if I could zoom in close enough. There he is. It's a black. I've never seen a black lizard. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. That's the. Oh, there he is. Where did he go? Oh, he's like sunbathing now. Okay, we're gonna make our contribution to to this teepee. I will put mine on top, right there.
We collected. We didn't over that.
Hey guys, so we're halfway down now. Halfway, right? About halfway, or a little bit more. And we look at how like. We were all the way up there. Do you see that waterfall? We were probably like, where's my finger? We were like up there. That's crazy. Look how far. Look, we were probably like right
Gabriel,
there.
Aaron.
Now look how far we are.
That's Gabriel.
And we still got downwards to go. So we even climbed further. What'd you say? We probably climbed like 2.5 miles up?
Yeah, it was 2.5, yeah.
Yeah, 2.5 miles up.
That's a 5 mile round trip.
That was nice though. Look at all these cigarette butts. Who's smoking cigarettes while they're hiking?